Have you ever looked at successful data analysts and wondered, how did they start? The truth is, every data analyst begins the same way, with confusion, curiosity, and a screen full of numbers that make no sense. At first, it's just a spreadsheet, rows, columns, endless data. You open Excel thinking it's simple, but soon you realize data is messy. Missing values, duplicate rows, and broken formats. Cleaning data becomes your first real challenge. And slowly, chaos begins turning into structure. Then comes SQL. You stop looking at data as files and start talking directly to databases. Your first query fails, then the second one fails. But when it finally works, the data answers your question, and that moment changes everything. Next comes Python. Suddenly, analysis becomes faster. Visualizations become clearer. Patterns begin to appear where numbers once looked random. And then you open your first dashboard. Numbers transform into charts, charts turn into insights. And for the first time, you realize something powerful. Data isn't just numbers, it's decisions, it's strategy, and it's the story behind every business move. And the beginner who once searched, "What does a data analyst do?" is now the one delivering answers. Because every data analyst journey starts the same way, with curiosity, a dataset, and the courage to begin.